Hello students, welcome to Syft, Skilled Youth for Tomorrow. Sound knowledge of mensuration is very important to help you clear your basics and master this important topic for all competitive exams. So let's get familiar with mensuration. What is mensuration? Mensuration is a part of geometry. Mensuration basically deals with length, area and volume of different kind of shapes, both 2D and 3D. It is a formula based and technique oriented topic. There are different formulas for different areas and parameters. To get the desired results, we need to put the values in these mensuration formulas. Mensuration is a topic of heavy calculations, so it is very crucial that we must use smart strategy and methods for these calculations. So to move ahead in the introduction to mensuration, first we will discuss what are 2D and 3D shapes and the difference between them. What is a 2D shape? A 2D shape is a shape that is bounded by three or more straight lines or a closed circular line in a plane. These shapes have no depth or height. They have two dimensions, length and breadth, and are therefore called 2D figures or shapes. For 2D shapes, we generally measure area and perimeter. Below are some examples of 2D shapes, and they are square, rectangle, parallelogram, triangle and circle. What is a 3D shape? A 3D shape is a shape that is bounded by a number of surfaces or planes. These are also referred to as solid shapes. These shapes have height or depth unlike 2D shapes. They have three dimensions: length, breadth and height or depth, and are therefore called 3D figures or shapes. 3D shapes are actually made up of a number of 2D shapes, also known as solid shapes. For 3D shapes, we measure volume, CSA, that is curved surface area, LSA, that is lateral surface area, and TSA, total surface area. Below are the example of 3D shapes, and they are sphere, cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone. Now we'll discuss some important terms very frequently used in mensuration. So these are area. The surface occupied by a given closed shape is called its area. It is represented by the alphabet A and is measured in unit square. So, meter square and centimeter square. Perimeter. The length of the boundary of a figure is called its perimeter. In other words, it is the continuous line along the periphery of the closed figure. It is represented by the alphabet P and is measured in centimeter and meter. Volume. The space that is contained in a three-dimensional shape is called its volume. In other words, it is actually the space that is enclosed in a 3D figure. It is represented by the alphabet V and is measured in centimeter cube and meter cube. Curved surface area CSA. In solid shapes where there is a curved surface like a sphere or cylinder, the total area of these curved surfaces is the curved surface area. The acronym for this is CSA and it is measured in meter square or centimeter square. And all the mensuration formulas are constitutes by all these terms only. Next is lateral surface area, LSA. The total area of all the lateral surfaces of a given figure is called its lateral surface area. Lateral surface areas are those surfaces that surround the object. The acronym for this is LSA and it is measured in meter square or centimeter square. Next is total surface area. The sum of the total area of all the surfaces in a closed shape is called its total surface area. For example, in a cuboid, when we add the area of all the 6 surfaces, we get its total surface area. The acronym for this is TSA and it is measured in meter square or centimeter square. Next is square unit. Meter square or centimeter square. 1 square unit is actually the area occupied by a square of side 1 unit. When we measure the area of any surface, we refer to this square of side 1 unit and how many such units can fit in the given figure. It is expressed as meter square or centimeter square depending on the unit in which the area is being measured. Cube unit, meter cube or centimeter cube. 1 cubic unit is the volume occupied by a cube of side 1 unit. When we measure the volume of any figure, we actually refer to this cube of side 1 unit and how many such units cubes can fit in the given closed shape. It is written in meter cube or centimeter cube depending on the unit that is being used to measure. Now that our introduction to mensuration and the important terms is over, we need to understand the mensuration formulas. Since this is a formula-based topic, every 2D and 3D figure has a list of mensuration formulas that establish a relationship amongst the different parameters. Please go through our next lesson of mensuration, mensuration 2D and mensuration 3D. Thank you guys for learning with us. Till then, enjoy learning.